I'm Allie, and this is my roommate Gabby. She's going to be playing someone who is bisexual and doesn't really know the feelings. She doesn't know how to sort through the feelings, and she has two potential, I guess, lovers who asked her on a date. So, how have you been since we've last met with each other?
I've been very confused. I don't know, I see potential in both the man and the female. And there's certain things that I'm sexually attracted to in men and sexually attracted to in women, and I just don't know like which way to go.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I'm 35 years old. I'm looking for my partner in life, and I don't want to go with the wrong choice, and I don't know what to do, and I'm just confused out the wazoo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you tried to, any of the suggestions that I have from the last meeting that we had,
Yeah.
have you tried to like look at those
Yeah.
and implement them, and when you're hanging out with both of them, like seeing
Kind
what
of. You see,
potential,
I went
you
out.
really,
I went out with both of them, and they kind of made it more confusing because I didn't know. I liked them both, and I wish we could just kind of like, in my mind, it would be great if we could all live together, but I know that's not going to happen because she's straight and he's straight, and that just wouldn't work out. But I've tried to like make a pro and con list, and I've tried to casually talk about it with them, and like bring into the fact that I'm kind of bisexual and whatever. And I don't necessarily know how well it went, but I've tried. So I'm taking baby steps.
well, that's good. At least you're trying
Right.
to tell them.
Yes.
But have you ever, I don't know, like, do you know how maybe they feel on the topic?
Yes, I do know. The girl is, well, she's okay with it because I think she understands the sexual part where she is sexually attracted to a woman, and then like that's where I would be, and like so she gets that, she understands that. But like the guy, he's just kind of like confused because he's straight. He likes women. He doesn't understand like the other aspect of what if you liked somebody else. So I think he's okay with it, but I think he's concerned because he doesn't want to be strung along. He has a fear that if like our relationship went further, what would happen if I found out like I really did like women and wanted to be with them. So he's just more like confused, but like the girl is like okay with it, and I think that's like what is making me like very calm about it. But with him it's like uneasy, but I think I like him more, so I'm just like confused.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy.
Yes. Now,
What's your sexual orientation?
that's confidential right at this moment.
Okay, maybe later we'll find out. Later session.
Maybe, yes.
Okay.
Have you ever thought about bringing them here? Maybe we could get their side of it and how they feel, because I've obviously you're sharing a lot of your feelings on the topic, and
Yeah.
you don't really know how to sort through some of your feelings.
Yeah.
But you're trying to.
Yeah. I mean, I've never like actually like thought about bringing them, but like I would be open to it. Now you mean like separately, right, or together?
Probably. I think for right now would be separately.
I was gonna say that might be confusing.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, I'd definitely like be open for that. Should I bring my lady friend, even though like she's kind of on the same page as me, or like should we just?
I think both of them
Both of
could
them?
benefit from it.
Okay.
But
Okay. Yeah. Maybe.
yeah.
Yeah. I'll have to.
Because it seems like your relationship with him is a
Right.
little bit more complicated,
Yeah.
and
But you see, it's kind of confusing again here, because if I'm like bisexual towards my woman, like she's excuse me, I'm sorry. I thought of a funny TV show last night. We'll get to that some other time. But like she's a woman, I'm a woman. But then on the other spectrum, Jerome's a man. And he's black and I'm white, so that's like interracial. So it's like they're both kind of weird relationships. Like
Yeah.
it's not like a typical normal. I don't mean to be like ignorant when I say that, but typical normal meaning like white, white, and
Yeah.
white. It's black and white, like a milkshake. But then it's girl and girl, so it's not just like I don't even know. Dio mio, mio, Tony. That was Spanish.
Yes.
But I'm fine with interracial. If he's fine with that, he should be fine with bisexual, don't you think?
I think everyone is entitled to their own opinion.
Or do you think it's okay if I, like, is it bad to date one and still kind of like the other gender? Like, is that ever gonna go away?
Is that how you feel?
I feel like I just want to like one gender, but I'm just feeling that's what I would ultimately want, but I feel like there's really no way to like prevent that. Yeah, see, it's a toughie.
Yeah,
It's a toughie.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
I don't think that there really is a way because, I mean, you hear stories all the time of someone being like, oh, I love more than one person.
Yeah,
you
like
know?
polygamous.
Like, yes.
Yes.
Or The Bachelor.
Yeah, The Bachelor. Yeah, they all love him. And he all loves them.
Yeah.
That's true. Yeah. Because I mean, I guess for me, it would be scary to like commit to one person and then be married for a couple of years and then be like, well, she's attractive. And like everywhere I go, like my significant other would be like, wait, is she checking him out? Is she checking her out? Like, who is she checking out? Because she likes everyone.
Yeah,
Blacks,
that could
whites,
also be
man, woman.
that. Are you also afraid of like the trust in the relationship?
I feel like my partner is going to be afraid of the trust, not me. Because I like everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah. But they might. Ooh. That's okay. Sometimes we forget to silence our Kelly's. It happens. Yeah, that's okay.
So the trust for them.
Yeah, trust for them. I think
Yeah.
they might think I'm like promiscuous, but I'm not. I don't want to be. I want one gender to avoid that.
Well, I think if you identify with liking both of them, that could potentially be hard for you to just like one gender because
Yeah.
then you feel very connected with both.
Yeah.
So that's why I also think that we should have separate sessions with you and
Jerome.
or
Stacy.
Stacy.
Yeah.
I think that could be very beneficial because that way, like, you know, you can maybe
I'm
maybe
sorry.
they will
Wait,
talk
her
more.
Her name is not Stacy. That was a different girl.
Oh,
sorry.
Okay.
Got
So is there
confused.
a third girl?
Her name's Allison.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, Allison and Jerome. Now I feel embarrassed now because I don't even know what the name of the girl is that I like. Oh, that was a big whoopsie.
Good if you knew.
Yeah. Well, I don't want to introduce her and be like, this is Stacy. And she's like, what? I'm Allison.
That's why I think
I would say Dr. Allison, this is Allison. That'd be weird.
Yeah. So I think,
Yeah.
you know, that way maybe Jerome will want to talk more about his feelings on the topic in kind of a controlled setting rather than just out.
That way he can really let it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can go more in depth on the
Right.
feelings.
No, that
And
sounds
maybe
good.
you can, you know, because you've obviously shared a lot of feelings today with me, maybe
Yeah.
you can feel more comfortable
In a
sharing.
Yeah.
your feelings.
Yeah, I like that. I'll have to talk to him, and
Okay.
if not, I'll just also date him and bring him in. I'm kidding. Don't worry. That's a therapist joke. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
That's our time.
Okay. Oh wow, that went fast.
I know.
Wow. Okay, I guess I'll see you next week with big old Jay.
Yeah, and your other girl.
Yes. Allison, not
Yes.
Stacy. Yes. Okay, great.